Alright, tire malfunction. I was riding and freaking tube popped.
Alright, so let's get started. Here's the tools you need to change your V14 tires. You're going to need these 3 ball hex screwdrivers, a drill, something that has a flathead wedge prior, a digital air pump or regular pump, and an inner tube with a 90-degree Schrader valve. Alright, so let's get right into it, where I'm taking off the fairing plates first, as you can see, and then I'm taking off the side panels. Shout out to 2 Cells 1 Pack for helping me go through the steps of changing the Inmotion V14 tires. Now the next step is taking off the battery on the left side, which exposes the motor wire, and I'm taking off the tie wire and all the screws that's holding everything down. And I actually find it easy to take off the pedals to have access to the wheel. I've seen videos of people still doing it, but it was kind of like a weird angle, trying to take off the wheel with the pedals on, so I took the pedals off. But that's our own personal preference. So the same thing I did to the left side, I did to the right, taking off the fairing plates and the side panels. So there's no need to take off the other battery. The reason why I took off the battery, once again, on the left hand side, is to access the motor wire. And now I'm taking off the wheel, off the rim, as you can see here. I see that there's a small hole in the wheel, the whole reason why I'm changing the tire in the first place. Now I'm testing out the new inner tube, and now I'm getting the tire back on the rim. And this was very difficult. It was easier taking it off than putting it on, because I had to make sure that the Schrader valve was actually going through the hole and lined correctly when I started to put air into it. So this step was took a little while, but I got it done. And the same way you take the wheel off, you put it back on. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love.